Hello students, today in this module we will learn method for converting fractions to decimals. As you all know that a rational number is represented by p by q, where q is not equal to 0. So any rational number can be changed into decimal form by dividing p by q. When a rational number is converted into its decimal representation, there are two possibilities, that is terminating and non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal are further divided into two parts, that is repeating and non-repeating. Let us discuss them briefly. Let's discuss about terminating decimal. A decimal expression in which remainder becomes 0. You see here in this example, when 54 is divided by 9, we get remainder 0. It means 54 completely divided by 9. The resultant decimal is called terminating decimal. In next example also you can see, when we divide 3 by 4, we will get decimal 0.75, that is terminating decimal. We can also represent rational numbers into decimal by converting them into decimal fractions. Like when we multiply 1 by 5 with 2 by 2, we will get 2 by 10. That can be written as 0.2. And dear students, you can change decimal to fraction also. See, 0.05 can be written as 5 upon 100, and after dividing by 5 we will get 1 by 20. Next is non-terminating recurring. In this form, when a number is divided by another number, the remainder never becomes 0. Instead of this, quotient start repeating itself. Here you can see in this decimal 7250 have started repeating itself. Let us understand with the help of another example. You can see when we divide 2 by 11, remainder never becomes 0. Instead of this, quotient start repeating itself. The bar on group of digits 18 indicate the group of digits repeated again and again. Next is non-terminating, non-recurring or non-repeating. In this form, when we divide a number by the another number, remainder never becomes 0, and also the number does not repeat themselves in any specific pattern. If a number is non-terminating and non-repeating, then that number is known as irrational number. You can see in this example, it does not have any specific pattern. Let us review what we have learned in this module. In terminating decimal expansion, remainder becomes 0 after some steps. In non-terminating recurring expansion, remainder repeat after some steps. But in non-terminating, non-repeating expansion, remainder neither repeat nor become 0. We have examples. You can see the example for terminating decimal is 1 by 2. Example for repeating decimal is 1 by 3. And example for non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is square root 2. I hope you understand it well. Thank you.